You know how each social platform likes to use different dimensions for videos and images? Well, if you want to repurpose the content, you need to have the right dimensions so the video will fit the platform's posting requirements. If you have a video and you'd like to change it, you can use Adobe Express, a free tool, to change the dimensions of a photo or video. If you need a free account for Adobe Express, then on the home page, click View All in the first row. Then click Video in the left menu and find the Resize tool for video. Upload a file up to 1 GB. After you upload, you'll see the video on the left side, and under it, you'll have the timeline of the video. On the right side, you have the option to choose which social you'd like to see the dimensions for. Instagram has the most options, so you can click it and change the size. It will probably fit all the other socials too, but you can also search for the specific social media website to see its exact options. Under that, you'll see the dimensions. Click the one you want to convert the video to, and then under it, you have the option to mute the video. This is in case you are going to use music that has a license directly on the socials and continue editing it there. Or you can continue editing the video on Adobe Express and change the music afterwards. Under that, you have the option to scale the video. If you want to change the position too, you can drag it to the left side. Under that, you can click Download or use the editor to keep editing the video. If you close the tool after downloading, the video will not be saved to your account. But if you click Edit in Editor, it will save it as a project. So if you know you'd like to use this video in a different way in the future, you can just click Edit in Editor, and then it will save it in your Stuff tab. You can also change the name of the project, so you can find it faster inside Adobe Express in your Stuff tab. Under the video, you have the timeline and you can trim the video from the beginning, the end, or both while you change the dimensions. But if you'd like to only trim the video, there is another free video tool to trim it also inside Adobe Express. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.